Hello traders, this is our Peter supply chart on September 17th at 1:45 EST, 15 minutes before the most important financial event in years, FOMC rate release. Federal funds rate will be announced in the next 15 minutes. An intelligent trader who trades alpha Fibonacci system very well prepared, well before FOMC rate release. So here we go, this is S&P mini future. Intelligent trader, incredibly well prepared, far in advance, knowing quite well this is not the place to short. This is a place to monitor for bullish response at this critical key resistance. The sell-off that started at this level, at alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, 66.98 level, currently oversold and reached the bottom. This is proprietary strategic alpha Fibonacci retracement strategies. Right now, before FOMC, I'm converting this chart to 1. Intelligent trader, very well prepared and understands quite well. This is critical key retail resistance. This is critical key retail buy point. But again and again and again, monitoring how price moves one step at a time is key to retail trader. We're expecting very powerful spikes. We're expecting very powerful moves in financial markets next. And again, this is key retail chart. You can monitor to the tick what will play out, but as intelligent trader understands, institutional rally came to alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Because if you've been trading alpha Fibonacci system and you've been buying US markets and S&P index funds since first week in April, this is where spectacular bullish points of entries are. Price no longer at 5,000 level. This morning, on the historical day of federal rate drop expected under pressure from our president, if Powell refuses to continue lowering rates, market will respond with serious selling pressure. Agree? So this is $1 trillion chart. This is a chart that reflects US stock market. If you are utilizing options, if you're trading as an investor, if you're a hedge fund manager, financial advisor, institutional trader, this is the chart I teach and I coach in private mentoring and group classes. But if you are a retail trader as a day trader, each and every morning you start with institutional chart so you can understand institutional bias. Institutional bias remains firmly long. Institutional traders buying every pullback. But for retail trader, it's a very important moment to see and understand if institutional traders are ready to buy the pullbacks. That's it. Institutional reversal zone with retail selling pressure in a play. And again, you knew all of this hours, days, months, and years in advance. And again, this is where you are shorting the market with the power of predictive alpha Fibonacci system. If I bring to your attention this chart exactly on Sunday, market kept rallying with vengeance, market kept moving higher and higher and higher. You knew what to follow. On Tuesday, price comes to reversal zone. Market selling off. On Wednesday, price reaches critical key alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. This is a power predictive system traded globally across all instruments, all time frames and platforms. Again, right now before FOMC, we are testing critical key alpha Fibonacci retail resistance. This level is out, practice will skyrocket to drastically higher. At the time of FOMC, this is the most important level. And again, we would be monitoring price at this level as ideal buy point for retail trader. And that's FOMC preparation with Alpha Fibonacci trading system. If I bring to your attention Nasdaq oversold as well, reached Alpha Fibonacci retail reversal zone. And again, sell-off on Nasdaq started from this key level. So if you understand the power of this and you understand how crucial this moment is at the time of FOMC, you also understand extremely well. Institutional rally overextended, institutional traders holding long. Overextended institutional rally is not easy for retail trader to trade. Respecting the rules and being on the right side of the market is absolutely critical to your success. Again, reversal zone identified days in advance in a play at the time of FOMC, converting this chart to 1. Again, if I bring to your attention this extremely important chart you witnessed very clearly. This is Predictive Proprietary System where Alpha Fibonacci trader knew days in advance where to buy the market at the bottom. Here's the system on Monday. Market sell-off in a progress. On Tuesday, move is down. Market reaches reversal zone an hour before FOMC. You are not shorting in this level. Rules are met. You take long. Again, to the upside, this is key level. This level is out. Price will skyrocket. How to trade this, you learn in the course. This is very important level on both S&P and Nasdaq at the time of FOMC release. This level signifies the end of the minor trend. Critical key level to the upside. That's it. So move up on S&P from 66.50 until 666.61. 11 points plus. The move on Nasdaq pre-market from 43.75 until 24.409. Move on Nasdaq 60 points from Alpha Fibonacci reversal down until critical key brick wall. Again, move is up on retail chart. Again, institutional rally overextended on both, and this is extremely important event playing out in front of you now. Again, we already had massive numbers of long alerts. This is software to day trade futures on Ninja Trader 8. Absolutely no software on these charts. So if you decide to add the software, you can set up the alerts and software spelled out. After all, you are at the bold green zone, correct? You are no longer at the red. Agree? So choice is yours on the instrument and time frame you choose to trade. Intelligent Trade already took advantage of the bottom of buying S&P and Nasdaq. Both oversold, reached Alpha Fibonacci buy point. And hours in advance, Intelligent Trader knows this will be our zone, this is to follow. How to trade this? You learn the rules in the course. Again, both S&P and Nasdaq at identical level. Bullish move taking a pause. Converting Nasdaq to 1, converting S&P to 1. This is Predictive Proprietary Strategy in front of you live during the most important financial event of the month. Again, we're expecting drastically higher move up. Again, it doesn't matter if you trade 5, 10, 15, any chart. We expect this level to be broken and price skyrocket to the upside. FOMC in 2 minutes. Converting S&P to 5. Move continues up. So if you were in the trading room since early this week, and this is your clear understanding how predictive and powerful system is, you start recognizing why, students, my dearest friends for life, all the stress, all the gambling, all speculation is done, especially when you understand clearly. Identical event that playing out on S&P, identical event that playing out on Nasdaq is exact same thing that played out on Tesla. Despite catastrophic earnings, despite Elon Musk leaving White House, despite all the scandals at Tesla, Alpha Fibonacci system spelled out where to buy the bottom. Alpha Fibonacci system spelled out, despite wars in Europe, buy the bottom on Euro. Correct? Euro extremely high. Alpha Fibonacci system spelled out where to buy Nvidia. Nvidia in bearish correction now. So any instrument you will ever choose to trade, you understand quite well. You can buy the bottom and sells it up with the Alpha Fibonacci system. Here we go. Move continues up, as we knew it would. Everyone clear on that? Yes? This never, ever get old. You were extremely well prepared and you knew quite well. Absolutely no shorts, only longs in a progress. Massive numbers of alerts skyrocketing for longs. But again, your ultimate bullish rally started at Alpha Fibonacci buy point at reversal zone. From 6650 on S&P, from 3080 on Nasdaq. No gambling, no speculation, no late entries. Ultimate intelligent strategic trading only. So again, absolutely no software on this chart. Again, we identified this move hours and days before it happened. This phenomenal move continues up. S&P is up 30 points. Again, Nasdaq continued its bullish rally. It's up another 100 points plus, correct? So, if you decide to add the software to day trade futures, you knew with a single glimpse, this is the place to buy from. And you are very clear why price is struggling now immensely. And again, you can trade any chart you choose. It is absolutely your personal choice. So if you're witnessing the power of this, and you're witnessing how predictive system is, and you're witnessing that you can trade and buy the bottom on any instrument, any time frame, any platform, the skies are the limit. That's it. Pure and simple. Pure price for entry and Alpha Fibonacci for exits. No speculation, no gambling here. Ultimate predictive precision live during the most important financial event in years. So again, let me remind you, this is the power of the system traded by children of my students, traded by traders as young as 12 and 14 years old. This is proprietary system and predictive is a keyword, predictive, not delayed. Again, here's S&P on Monday. Selling off. Here's S&P on Tuesday. Selling off, heading lower, correct? Here's S&P this morning. Reached Alpha Fibonacci buy point. I'm teaching this in live classes. I'm teaching this to institutional traders, to beginner traders, to traders from 12 to 80 plus year old. All I ask you is to make sure you have Fibonacci retracement tool and you make a personal decision on the chart and platform you want to trade. Pure and simple. Since Alpha Fibonacci system identified this as a buy point, S&P is up until here. Here comes a pullback and price can crash completely all the way to 66.61. Again, from 66.50 until 66.86. This is one of the biggest rallies we've seen on S&P since the month of April. Correct? 40 points plus. Again, doesn't matter if you're trading 5, 10, 15 tick range charts, any charts. What does the intelligent trader wants now? Complete collapse, complete sell-off. Lower is better. Until here, please. Intelligent trader knows where to exit. Again, software showed it to you in advance. And when you start using your limitless brain, you are very, very clear. Market is intelligent strategic chess. Correct? Intelligent trader knew far in advance to expect this. Again, no software on this chart, software is here. Remember, that's a bold red zone. And if the price collapses here, it's the most incredible thing for retail trader. That's it. And that's precise proprietary Alpha Fibonacci chess, where Nasdaq skyrocketed flawlessly from again 24,373 until pullback in a play 24,520. It's about 150 points, correct? So again, with a single glimpse, intelligent trader expected this. No speculation, no gambling here. Pure and simple. And when short alert comes up, you are very, very clear not to speculate because short alert is limited. Limited space to the downside. So this is the reason I'm here, because incredible student like Rubin who just joined the course knows and appreciates my work. I do this because I live and breathe what I do. That's it, because of our global community and intelligent traders trading phenomenal, with phenomenal, solid, consistent results. All on the podcasts, all in students' performance. So when Terry was with us this morning, this was breathtaking. As Terry only wishes he was here this morning. Please listen to Terry's podcast and how much he lost and how much he struggled before coming to Fibonacci Trading Institute. I will walk you through in a couple of minutes. So again, simplicity is the core of Alpha Fibonacci method. And when you see markets so pure and so simple, the sky's the limit. So 21 is extremely important number in the Alpha Fibonacci system. Extremely important Fibonacci number. Extremely important Fibonacci number. We knew extremely well where market would reverse from. Correct? Again, if you decide to day trade futures, software to day trade futures comes with trade recognition software, day trading retail and institutional levels, and multi-time frame scanner to day trade futures. You insert the instrument of your choice, you insert the day trading times, and price will flash the alerts with sound as well, which is extremely powerful tool. So you are not confined, gluing and staring at the charts, correct? Is everyone clear how powerful this is? Yes? Stunning reminder not to gamble, not to hold position indefinitely. Rate was not lowered. Powell on strike, rate remains the same. Conflict between Powell and Trump continues. market responding as we knew where it would, correct? And that's the power of the system. Are you with me? As price reminds you, it moves one step at a time. Agree? So no matter what chart you trade, price just showed you the importance of simple predictive precision of the alpha Fibonacci system. On S&P mini future, on Nasdaq future, on multiple charts. We never even looked, we never even paid attention if rate was changed or not. We did this 14 minutes after the announcement. So if you want to trade like Rubin, as these are the words of my students for the last 15 years, this is the reason I wake up 4 o'clock in the morning, because I live and breathe what I do. Because after single class, you will be blown away. Because if JP Morgan traders trade this, if hedge fund managers trade this, if beginner traders trade this, and traders all over the world, in US and globally trading this, anyone can. So please view the video a student made about my work. And by the way, in October 11th, I will be celebrating 15 years since the launch of my website and 20 years of saying no to top financial institutions. In celebration of this, I'm launching Trading Bootcamp for new students. Trading Bootcamp at no extra cost when you're signing up for the course in the months of September, October, November. So if you're fortunate enough to grab the last 7 spaces that's left, you will see the power of the system in the live markets, and you will save substantial savings, as again, bootcamp absolutely at no extra cost for the students signing up for group or mentoring packages. So please understand, this is appropriate for traders of all levels, from beginner to hedge fund manager who are trading futures, stocks, forex, crypto, for day and position trading. Options traders, ETF traders, commodity, any kind of traders, crypto traders will be in this bootcamp, and graduates of the course will be stopping by to share their journeys. So when you review everything on the website, please understand, when Terry just joining the course and accomplishes phenomenal performance in a couple of months after exponential struggles before and trading now for prop firm, so can you. So when you view and listen to students, to children of my students, to complete beginner trader, who is my dearest friend for life, you also see emails from my traders. So again and again and again, never ever ever underestimate what's possible if you make an effort. As again, Terry just started the course, sharing his performance every single day, thanking me for such phenomenal trading system. Pablo, complete beginner trader. Prop firm trader now, trading not just futures, trading stocks, trading forex, trading options, trading it all. So if these traders have done it, so can you. Sue, my dearest friend for life, incredible trader now. She may be stopping by in bootcamp. She's trading it all, struggling for years and losing a fortune before. So if you're ready to put the past behind you, if you're ready to trade as phenomenal trader, I look forward to working with you, because if these traders have done it, so can you. Simply choose the option appropriate for you, and you can always sign up for the invitation in the trading room. Please note, with a bootcamp private mentoring package, savings more than $10,000. Group course savings almost $8,000. If you are not on NinjaTrader 8 platform, option 1, it's free, appropriate for you. And again, every option includes lifetime system for all platforms, and every option includes lifetime software for NinjaTrader 8, option 2 and 4. So tomorrow I'm teaching institutional class where you can view the power of the system and test the system for years to come. As again, is anyone surprised where price reversing from? To the tick? Should not be. Alpha Fibonacci system spelled out far in advance. Rules are met, take a trade. Choice is yours. On the chart and instrument and platform you choose to trade. As you can trade all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. So I hope you're joining us in the bootcamp. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. As fathers bring in their children, husbands bring in their wives, friends bring in their friends to the course. Any questions? Simply pick up the phone and call or contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. As I promise you, the best things in the market are simple. And when you focus on simplicity with predictive alpha Fibonacci system, the sky's the limit, as proven by traders all over the world, from 12 to 80 plus years old, from beginners to hedge fund managers in US and globally. Live classes, video library included. You do not have to come to live classes. You can simply view video library 24/7.